welcome to Kitchen Secrets with Surbhi. In this episode, I'll be teaching you how to make this rich and heavenly cup of hot chocolate. This is just what you need to keep you warm and snug in these cold winter months. Let me now start by introducing the ingredients for this recipe. We require milk. I've taken whole milk, but you can use skimmed or semi-skim milk, 1.5 cup. I've taken 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar. You can take any brown light, caster, or even the crystal sugar. I have here 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mine is dark cocoa powder, but feel free to use any kind. And 1 cup of chocolate. This chocolate that I'm using is a medium sweet chocolate. So depending on what kind of chocolate you're using will depend how much sugar you use. So with mine, I'm okay with 1 tablespoon. If you're using 70, 65, 80% dark chocolate, then you might want to increase the amount of sugar that you're using. In case you're using milk chocolate instead, you might want to decrease the amount of sugar that you're using. And also a pinch of salt. For flavoring, I'm using a stick of cinnamon. I feel a cinnamon stick works better than ground cinnamon in this recipe. Once the hot chocolate is ready, we'll be going through a lot of exciting presentation ideas for both grown-ups and children. This will include using exciting options like marshmallows, whipped cream, pistachio, sprinklers, chocolate twigs, and strawberry. I'm now adding 1.5 cup of milk. To this milk, I'm going to add the stick of cinnamon. While it comes to a boil, I will make a little slurry with my cornstarch. So I've taken a roughly 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of milk in here. And always use cold milk. I know there are a lot of recipes that show that you can add the cornstarch directly into the milk, but that could lead to lumps, so just use it separately to dissolve. At this point, I've put the milk on simmer so that the flavors from the cinnamon can seep into the milk. In case you're not using cinnamon, you can also flavor it with vanilla. You can use vanilla extract or vanilla pod. I've let the milk sit for a minute and a half on low heat with the cinnamon stick. I'm now adding my sugar. Sugar is dissolved. I will add the cocoa. I'll now throw in 1 cup of chocolate. And this is all happening on low heat. I'm going to keep stirring it and make sure the chocolate doesn't get stuck to the bottom, as chocolate is very sensitive to heat. I feel all the chocolate is now melted and it's time for the slurry to go in. Give it a mix again and gently pour in and keep stirring. At this point, you might want to increase the heat a little so that it comes to a boil. Continue giving it a good and proper mix. All we want is a very smooth liquid with no lumps. And look how glossy and shiny it started looking. It's come to a boil and I can actually feel the aroma of chocolate and cinnamon and the cocoa powder. We're done. Off the stove now, and it's very natural for it to develop a little bit of film on the top because it's very nice and thick. And now I'm going to just add a pinch of salt. Guys, salt just adds a very good, it actually brings out the flavor in the cocoa and the chocolate. So look how nice, glossy and lovely it looks. The hot chocolate is ready and I'm going to pour it. So this is one way to serve. I've used small Turkish coffee cups. And if you're using it for grown-ups, then you can add your choice of liquor, and rum, brandy, whiskey, Cointreau, which is the orange liquor, pairs very well with this hot chocolate. The next way to present it is, if it might be a little thick for the children and a little dark, and you can add more milk and whisk it in. So I'm taking around half a cup of milk, half to 1 cup you can take, and just whisk it in gradually. Just taste the sugar, and if you think you might want more, you can add a bit more of the icing sugar at this point. I'm going to taste it as well. It's perfect for me, so I'm not going to add more sugar. And then you can serve it. I used a cup of hot milk in there, but if you feel you want it still warmer, then you can reheat this hot chocolate at this point. So I'm going to serve this one with some whipped cream, some chocolate twigs, and generous drizzle of cocoa on top. So I'm serving this one with some marshmallows. This is going to be served with some vanilla or chocolate ice cream. And a sprinkle of pistachio on top. And the last one, the kids are just going to love it. One will be served with a few dollops of whipped cream, some sprinklers on the top, and a fanned strawberry. I'm going to now quickly show you how to fan a strawberry. So here we have the 5 ways you can present and serve your hot chocolate. This one is with ice cream and pistachio on the top. This is the thickened version with any kind of liquor of your choice. This one is thinned out one. This is the one with marshmallows. This is the one with whipped cream and some chocolate twigs and a generous drizzle of cocoa powder. And this one has some whipped cream and strawberry and confetti on top. I hope you enjoyed watching today's episode. It's a very easy and a delightful recipe for you and your family. I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you for watching. Till I see you again next time, take care.